Hello everybody, my name is Darren. I'm the owner of Bell's Chem Dry, and today I was hoping to show you a little bit how to remove spots out of your carpet. There's a lot of different products out there to remove spots out of the carpet. However, a lot of them are more effective than others. The Chem Dry product is fantastic, and the reason why is it's carbonated and contains no residue. And that is the most important thing that a lot of people don't realize. Is that when you are spot cleaning a carpet, you a lot of times do a pretty good job and actually do remove the spot. But what happens is the product that you're using leaves a lot of residue behind. Imagine washing your hair and only using a tiny bit of water to rinse out all that soap. That's kind of what happens in your carpet. When you apply that product, a lot of that product stays in there because it was never completely rinsed out. And a lot of people think that that their stain came back, but that's usually not the case. What's happening is all of the dirt, vacuuming, traffic, dust is sticking to that spot now, and it's because of the residue that's left behind. So that's enough probably about talking about spot cleaners. Now let's talk a little bit on how to actually remove a spot. So this is one of the Chem Dry's top spot removers. Works fantastic. A little bit goes a long way, but the way you use it is important, and that is you want to apply it on your spot and give it a little time to soak in. And I'm sure a lot of your over-the-counter products, same thing. You want to give it time to soak in. Maybe massage it in a little bit. Don't get a scrub brush and start scrubbing the heck out of your carpet because you're going to fray the fibers. You might remove the stain, but now you have a spot that is just frayed and worn out and will never look the same like the rest of the carpet. So I always suggest just kind of working it in a little bit. Working it down to the backing and really do a good job of breaking down that stain. Then you want to just blot it out. Just apply pressure, blot out your stain. If it's a real heavy stain, you may have to do this several times. But like I said, usually a little bit goes a long way. I don't know if you could see how much product I used on there, but it wasn't much. Stain is gone. Carpet's going to dry fast, and it's not going to resoil there because there, again, is no residue in the Chem Dry products. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions for me, please leave it in the comments or contact me at bellschemdry.net. Thank you.